We've been working to make some of our remote research accessible for blind participants. One of our studies investigates how people perceive reverberant sound, which can be important for spatial perception and navigation without vision. We set up a remote testing experiment partly to reach a wider audience than lab-based methods allow, and partly due to restrictions imposed by the COVID pandemic. So this is different from web-based surveys or remote interviews because we need to precisely control the stimuli and monitor responses. So we recruited participants by word of mouth, email lists, social media postings, and so on. We sent each participant an individualized link to the study, coded in PsychoPy, and hosted on the online portal pavlovia.org. These are just two of many possible options. We kept participants' personal and study data separate. These were collected online before downloading for analysis. And in the experiment, just for reference, a participant would hear two reverberant sounds, one after the other, and then judge which of the two sounded most like it was recorded in a real or realistic sounding room. Now, a major challenge was making this experiment accessible to blind participants using screen readers, which didn't always detect the JavaScript-based code of the experiment platform. So to address these challenges, we adopted a simple hybrid approach. Experimenters contacted and enrolled participants by phone, and while staying on the phone with them, emailed them the link to begin the experiment. So navigating to and commencing the experiment was done through the screen reader, at which point participants then disabled the screen reader functions for the actual experiment, which only required F and J key responses. And those were easy to find thanks to the little tactile nubs that those keys have on most keyboards. And we also converted all the instructions and other on-screen text to speech audio files to be played at appropriate times. Our preliminary results have been presented at the Cognitive Neuroscience Society and Vision Sciences Society virtual meetings. So far, we've tested several dozen sighted adults and children and about 15 blind adults and counting using the methods described here. So in this way, combining simple and complex methods, we keep our science running in a time of limited access and trying to expand general opportunities for participation. For more details, visit our project page on the Smith-Kettlewell website or contact us. Thanks very much for watching.